What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today I have a 2015 Scion IA, and we have done the oil change, and as you can see, the wrench is present. So once you go ahead and complete your oil change, you should be able to reset the service interval. So you're going to want to go ahead and take a look at your radio screen or your dash screen. If you look down here, you're going to go home and you'll control it left, right, and then you'll push in to select. So just went to home, so that's the home screen. Go ahead and go to the left. You're going to hit applications, go ahead and push the button in. You're going to see your maintenance. Select maintenance. You have tire rotation if you'd like to set that, and then you have your oil change. So let's do oil change, and we're going to reset it. I believe the manufacturer says that you change your oil every 5,000 miles, fully synthetic. So as you can see, now that is all set and you are good to go. So now you can get out of that, and if you wanted to do your tire rotation service, you can go ahead and reset that as well if you'd like, and that'll also be at 5,000 miles. You'll rotate your tires. So if you guys needed that info, there it is. It's that simple. Just make sure you go ahead and change your oil before resetting the light. That way you don't run on old oil for 10,000 miles because you just reset the light and didn't change the oil. So with that said, that is all set, and we'll be changing our oil in 5,000 miles. Thanks for tuning in, guys.